Finding a metal bed frame that doesn't squeak, shift, or sag? Yeah, that can feel impossible. You want something sturdy, quiet, and reliable, a frame that won't wake you up in the middle of the night or leave your mattress sliding all over the place. We're checking out 5 top new metal bed frames designed to solve these exact problems. Stick around and don't forget to check the description for links. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with number 5, the Linenspa metal platform bed frame. This frame checks all the boxes when it comes to functionality. With 12 inches of clearance, it's perfect for extra storage space, whether you need room for bins, shoes, or even boxes of books. The metal slats offer solid support for your mattress, and it's built to handle up to 900 pounds, making it a sturdy choice for most users. But here's the catch. While the anti-slip treads are designed to keep your mattress in place, some users have reported that it still slides, especially if you're using a memory foam mattress. So, if you like your bed to stay put, you might need an extra layer of support, like a mattress pad or bed grippers. When it comes to assembly, it's a quick job, about 10 minutes, but the instructions could definitely be clearer. If you've put together furniture before, it's not a big deal, but a more detailed guide would save some time. Now, here's something to note. The frame is slightly shorter than standard mattresses, meaning you might notice a gap around the edges. This design helps to prevent stubbed toes, but can make fitted sheets a bit more difficult to secure. So, if you have a deep pocket mattress, it's something to keep in mind. Lastly, while the construction is solid, metal frames can develop squeaks over time. The fix is simple. Just tighten the connections every few months. Some users have mentioned that the center support could be stronger, as it can bow slightly under heavier weight, so it's worth checking every so often. Coming in at number 4, we have the Olee Sleep Dura metal bed frame. At first glance, the adjustable sizing seems like a fantastic feature, giving you flexibility, but does it actually help or hurt stability? Let's dive into the details and find out. One of the standout features is the recessed leg design. It's a thoughtful touch to prevent those painful stubbed toes. No more painful midnight trips to the bathroom. Plus, the sleek black finish adds a modern, clean look, so it'll fit right into almost any bedroom. With a 700-pound weight capacity, it's built to handle most mattress and user combinations with ease. But here's where things get a little tricky. The frame sits lower than advertised, offering only 7 inches of clearance underneath. If you're looking for extra storage space, this could be a bit limiting compared to other frames. It's something to keep in mind if you need that under bedroom. Assembly isn't difficult, but the included tools are flimsy, so you might want to grab your own wrench set for an easier setup. As for the noise-free promise, it may start off quiet, but many users report squeaks after a few months, especially at the adjustable joints where the frame expands or contracts. Things to keep in mind. The adjustable design means more potential failure points. The metal tabs that hold the adjustments in place can bend with frequent use. Also, if you have hardwood floors, consider adding your own rubber feet or furniture pads, since the included ones wear down quickly and could cause scratches. At number 3, we have the Amazon Basics foldable metal platform bed frame. This one's all about convenience, with a tool-free setup that actually delivers on its promise. You simply unfold it, and you're good to go. Plus, with 13 inches of clearance, you get plenty of storage space underneath, which is a big win for anyone needing to store extra things. It's designed to hold up to 350 pounds per person, which works perfectly for most setups. Now, while the folding feature is a real strength, it does come with a bit of a trade-off. Over time, the hinges can develop some play, which could lead to subtle movement when you shift positions during the night. This can be a bit annoying for light sleepers. And though the wire lattice support system gets the job done, it doesn't provide that solid feel you get from traditional slats. So keep that in mind if you're picky about your mattress support. One thing to watch out for: the packaging. The frame arrives fully assembled, but many users have reported damaged boxes during shipping, which sometimes affects the frame itself. Fortunately, customer service is responsive, but it's still a hassle to deal with. A few things to consider. The wire supports can leave impressions on softer mattresses like memory foam, so you might want to add a thin plywood sheet or a bunkie board for better weight distribution. And when setting it up, be cautious. The folding sections can pinch fingers, so definitely keep kids and pets at a safe distance. Would this folding frame work for you? Drop a comment below. And stick around. Our top picks are coming up next. Coming in at number 2, we have the VECELO metal platform bed frame. If you're in the market for a stylish yet affordable metal frame, this one truly stands out. It comes with a built-in headboard and footboard, a feature that's often missing from most metal frames. Plus, with 12.5 inches of clearance, you get some great extra storage space without compromising on stability. The 12 support bars do a solid job of keeping things steady, and it holds up to 330 pounds comfortably, making it a good fit for many setups. Now let's talk setup. While they claim it takes 30 minutes, realistically, you'll need about an hour. The included tools will get the job done, but if you have your own, the assembly process will go much smoother. Be prepared for some screw holes not lining up perfectly, so you may need to put in a little extra effort during setup. The frame looks more expensive than it is, but the finish can chip easily, especially around the legs. While the overall construction feels solid, you might notice the headboard developing a slight wobble over time, so make sure to check the mounting points regularly. A few things to consider. The headboard needs occasional tightening to prevent rattling. The middle support legs come with plastic caps that can crack under heavier weight, so swapping them for metal ones could be a good move. And if your bed moves a lot, the slats may shift, so adding non-slip pads might help keep things in place. Taking the top spot is the Zinus SmartBase, a frame that keeps things simple but truly delivers where it matters most. Stability, easy setup, and long-term durability make it a solid choice for just about anyone. Plus, with 13 inches of clearance, you get plenty of storage space without sacrificing the support your mattress needs. Here's what sets it apart. Unlike other so-called tool-free frames, this one actually delivers on that promise. The compact packaging makes it super easy to move, and the frame unfolds into place with minimal effort. No fuss, no frustration. And with a weight capacity ranging from 750 to 1,500 pounds, depending on the size, this frame is built to last and hold heavy loads. Now, while it's built for function, the design isn't the most stylish option out there. The industrial look works, but if you prefer a more polished aesthetic, you might want to add a bed skirt to cover up the underbed area. Also, while the plastic feet caps do their job well, they may need replacing after about a year of regular use. A few things to keep in mind. While this frame resists squeaking better than most, the wider support spacing means you'll need a high-quality mattress to prevent any sagging over time. If you have wood floors, be careful when moving the frame. Adding felt pads or rubber feet can help protect your floors from scratches. Now, what matters most to you? Storage, durability, or hassle-free assembly? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest home product reviews. Links to all these frames are in the description.